Experience comfort, balance, and stability with premium gear designed for daily practice. The best yoga mat enhances grip, cushioning, and body alignment to support every pose. This introduction guides you towards selecting a mat that matches your durability needs and training intensity. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. Manduka PRO Yoga Mat. The Manduka PRO Yoga Mat is built for yogis who want a dependable, long-lasting mat with exceptional stability and cushioning. Known for being widely recommended by instructors and yoga therapists, this professional-grade mat features an ultra-dense 6mm thickness that provides impressive joint protection during kneeling, balancing, or floor-based postures. The firmness creates a stable base that doesn't sink or wobble, which is especially beneficial for standing poses and transitions that require control. Each mat is handmade in an emissions-free German facility using 100% latex-free PVC that meets Standard 100 by OK Tech certification, ensuring safety and reliability. The craftsmanship also means that each mat may vary slightly in dimensions, adding a hand-finished quality to the design. One of the defining characteristics of the Manduka PRO is that its grip improves over time, not instantly. The textured top layer initially feels smooth, but gradually becomes more slip-resistant through regular practice, offering a natural break-in process that rewards consistent use. Its closed-cell construction prevents moisture from absorbing, reducing odor and keeping the mat clean for years. Maintenance is simple. Manduka recommends using their specialized mat wash and refresh formula or botanical cleaner to retain the integrity of the surface. Because this mat is made to lifetime, it's a strong choice for dedicated practitioners who want long-term value, reliable cushioning, and a mat that supports everything from gentle stretching to high-intensity flows while maintaining outstanding durability.
Number 2. Liforme Original Yoga Mat. The Liforme Original Yoga Mat is designed to enhance every aspect of your practice with its spacious size, excellent grip, and thoughtfully engineered alignment system. Its extended length and width provide ample room for stretching out in wide poses and transitions, making it especially appealing to those who feel cramped on standard yoga mats. The 0.16-inch thickness offers a balanced combination of cushioning and stability, supporting joints without feeling overly soft. Liforme's standout feature is its renowned Grip For Me surface, which delivers a powerful non-slip quality even during sweaty, fast-paced sequences. This strong traction helps users maintain balance and hold poses with confidence, reducing the risk of sliding or losing form. Another impressive innovation is the Align For Me guidance system, a subtle yet effective set of alignment markers integrated into the mat. These markers help practitioners, beginners and experienced yogis alike, position hands and feet properly, fostering safer technique and improving overall posture awareness. The mat is crafted from eco-friendly materials, combining specially engineered eco-polyurethane and natural rubber while remaining PVC-free. This construction supports cleaner, greener manufacturing and ensures a hygienic practice surface. Lightweight considering its size, it rolls easily and comes with a premium carry bag for convenient transport. The Liforme Original Yoga Mat is ideal for anyone who values support, grip, space, and thoughtful design in a mat built to refine and elevate practice.
Number 3. Feetlu Yoga Mat. The Feetlu Yoga Mat offers an appealing combination of durability, comfort, and ease of use, making it a practical choice for yogis of all levels. ETS certified and built with tear-resistant materials, the mat is designed to withstand daily stretching, rolling, and movement without showing early signs of wear. Its dimensions, 72 inches by 24 inches, provide enough room for most practitioners, while the generous 10mm thickness offers significantly more cushioning than standard mats. This extra padding is ideal for users with sensitive knees, elbows, or wrists, or for those who enjoy Pilates, stretching routines, or longer floor exercises. The dual-textured surface provides reliable traction, helping maintain stable footing and hand placement during postures. Whether transitioning between poses or holding longer stretches, the mat remains secure without curling or sliding on the floor. Despite its thicker build, the Feetlu mat is lightweight at just 1.3 kilograms and includes a convenient carrying strap, making it easy to bring to the gym, studio, or outdoor session. Maintaining the mat is simple with spot cleaning using mild detergent and cold water, and it dries flat without absorbing odors. With its combination of comfort, slip resistance, and portability, the Feetlu Yoga Mat is an excellent option for those seeking dependable cushioning and ease of maintenance at an affordable price.
Number 4. Premium Yoga Cork Mat. The Premium Yoga Cork Mat delivers a practice experience rooted in natural comfort, stability, and simplicity, making it a standout choice for yogis who value both performance and environmental responsibility. Crafted from high-quality cork, this mat appeals to those who want a renewable, biodegradable material that supports a more eco-conscious lifestyle. Cork has a naturally warm and grounding feel that enhances connection with the floor, creating a sense of steadiness during balancing poses and flow sequences. One of the most impressive qualities of this mat is the dependable grip it provides. The cork surface becomes even more slip-resistant when exposed to moisture, making it particularly reliable during heated sessions or fast-paced vinyasa routines. This means you can transition confidently through challenging postures without worrying about your hands or feet sliding. Its versatile structure also suits many styles of yoga, from hatha to ashtanga, as well as stretching routines, breathwork, or meditation. Whether you're a beginner developing fundamental poses or an experienced practitioner deepening your practice, the mat adapts easily to different movements and intensities. Cork is also naturally antimicrobial, helping resist odors and bacteria so your practice space stays fresh without relying on harsh cleaners. The ease of maintenance is another major advantage. Simply wiping the mat with a damp cloth or mild soap keeps it hygienic and ready for your next session. The odorless composition ensures you can breathe deeply and stay focused without chemical smells interrupting your flow. Overall, the Premium Yoga Cork Mat is a reliable, comfortable, and environmentally friendly option that brings together sustainability, grip, and versatility in a durable design.
Number 5. Liforme Original Yoga Mat. The Liforme Original Yoga Mat brings together thoughtful engineering, luxury comfort, and exceptional performance to support yogis looking to enhance the quality and precision of their practice. Designed with generous dimensions of 72.8 inches by 26.8 inches, it offers noticeably more space than standard mats, giving you the freedom to extend fully in wide poses or transition smoothly through dynamic sequences. The thickness strikes an ideal balance between cushioning and stability, providing enough softness to protect the joints while maintaining the firmness needed for strong balance and alignment. The mat also includes Liforme's unique Align For Me system, subtle alignment markers designed to guide proper hand and foot placement throughout your practice. This helpful feature supports beginners in learning correct posture while giving advanced practitioners better precision and body awareness. Constructed from eco-polyurethane and natural rubber, the mat avoids PVC and harsh chemicals, offering a cleaner, more planet-friendly option without compromising durability. It remains hygienic and comfortable even with daily use, maintaining its texture and grip over time. The mat rolls easily and is lightweight enough for convenient transport, making it suitable for home practice or studio sessions. Its combination of grip, guidance, space, and eco-conscious construction makes the Liforme Original Yoga Mat an excellent choice for anyone seeking a dependable, high-performance mat that elevates comfort, stability, and overall enjoyment during every session. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.